How to fix Facebook watch icon missing. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on the Facebook app like this and then click on force stop. After that you have to do one last thing, which is click on the notifications. Make sure that all notifications are enabled. Go back again, click on the storage, click on clear cache, clear data, and now last thing you want to do, which is the most important step, click on the Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.